हाय वेलकम बैक इन अनदर एक्साइटिंग वीडियो। सो ये वीडियो मेकअप के बारे में नहीं होने वाली है। लिपस्टिक की डिटेल आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। सो डोंट वरी, डोंट पैनिक, ओके। इट्स अ क्लासिक न्यूड लिप कॉम्बो, नथिंग मच। एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं पर्सनल केयर की। यू गाइज नो दैट आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट पर्सनल केयर। तो जब बात पर्सनल केयर की होती है मुझे हमेशा एक ही ब्रांड याद आती है, वो है MyMuse, बिकॉज यू गाइज नो दैट दे हैव मल्टीपल बेस्ट सेलर। थैंक यू so much MyMuse to partnering this video and supporting my small channel. This is the one of a bestseller massaging wand in female category. To be very honest, I heard a lot of a good thing about this product. This is none other than MyMuse Groove, but they updated their bestseller product in Groove Plus. Now let's talk about why I choose this. So this is a massaging wand for her. You can fully operate this via app. So let me provide you a small brief about this product. So this is a MyMuse Groove Plus. This is India's first app controlling device. So this is an app control, internal and external uses, 360 flexible ribbed head, and best for long distance play. The design of this massager is very sleek, very sturdy, and very high quality. And it's definitely 100% waterproof, so you can enjoy in shower time too. And now let's see what you get in this box. This box contains everything you need for this product. So including your manuals, USB cable, pouch for storing this massager. I'm super sure you already heard about Groove. So Groove and Groove Plus only has one difference, that you can operate Groove Plus via app. Now let's install the app in our device. So this app supports your iOS, Android both. Well, it's very simple to install, nothing much. Like a normal any other app, just log in with your Gmail. After installing the app, just open the app, enable your Bluetooth and connect your massager. This app provides you complete privacy. Everything is between you and your partner. Then you can control vibration via the app. You can enjoy the control, custom patterns, speed, so many things, and you can enjoy this with your partner. You just need to pick the option between share control or take control. Give them invite code or take an invite code and just enjoy the playful time with your partner. It made with 100% body safe silicones. It has 10 different speeds. Now enjoy the ASMR. Let's talk about why I choose Groove Plus. So firstly, you can fully operate this via app. So it's a very long distance couple friendly. Not only couple friendly, but when you are enjoying with yourself, you don't want to press button over and over again. So app make it very handy. If you know, you know. Okay, it has a fully flexible head, so you don't need to worry about hurting yourself when you are enjoying. You like certain patterns, certain waves. So what happened with a normal massaging wand is sometimes you get the exact pattern you like. This time तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है कि वो पैटर्न कैसे ऑपरेट करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज गेटिंग वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग समटाइम्स. कंफ्यूजिंग, इरिटेटिंग, एंड सेल्फ केयर टाइम इज नॉट अ इरिटेशन टाइम. ओके, इट मेड फॉर रिलैक्सिंग योर बॉडी, रिलीविंग द बैड एनर्जी एंड जस्ट फीलिंग योर सेल्फ. सो what the best part about this, you can create infinity custom pattern by using their app. So you know what I'm talking about. Like, you like certain pattern, you create the pattern, so next time you don't need to think about that pattern. Okay, you just need to press on the app and app खुद से ही वो पूरा पैटर्न आपके लिए रिपीट कर देगी. This is fully waterproof and this comes with own pouch, so you can easily pack and travel with that. Like, it's a festival season, you have to have that if you are in a long distance and you want to gift someone very thoughtful gift. Okay, so yeah, and I will guarantee you she will definitely love that. And if you are coming across this video and if you are planning to buy your first massaging wand, so maybe this is your sign, this is the product you have to invest in, because you can use this externally, you can use this internally. It's a full body massager and you get bang for your buck. एंड आपको अगर मौका मिले उनकी सेंटल कैंडल ट्राई करने का, ओ माई गॉड, यू हैव टू ट्राई दैम. लाइक दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड पाउच. ओ माई गॉड, आई जस्ट लव दैम. दे आर कैंडल्स and when they melt they convert it into a very hydrating oil which you can use on a multiple purposes. You know what I'm talking about. The fragrance they have. Okay, मैं अपना पुराने वाला तो दिखा नहीं सकती हूँ because अगर तुमने देख लिया तो you will be blown. Okay, बहुत गंदी हालत हो चुकी है. But let me tell you, the fragrance they have, oh my god, these are, oh my god, I will definitely try their warm caramel fragrances because they have another variant in candles, but these candles are definitely worth your money. You have to add them in your Diwali gift because these are so freaking beautiful, absolutely freaking delicious. I love them. And whenever how great it is, whenever they are sending me their product they always add the candle. So if I made you jealous, I'm so sorry. They love me and I love them too. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I love your candle. Next time make sure send me another variant. Hooked me to that. So this is it. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. The coupon, product detail, every single thing I wrote in a description, so you can check there. And yeah, bye. See you in another video.